Welcome, in front of me is Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater, and in this video I will show you how to change language in this game. To do this, you have to press escape, save your game and return to the main menu. Then in the main menu, go to options, select language and subtitles, and then to change the display language, toggle these options on this list and select the language that you need. Then once you change the language to the one that you need, you can press escape and the changes will be applied. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.